Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaners that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Eufy Wet Vac W31, cordless all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. Introducing the Eufy by Anker Wet Vac W31, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This cordless all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop is designed to tackle daily messes, sticky spills, and pet hair with ease. What sets the Wet Vac W31 apart is its self-cleaning and auto-dry technology, ensuring your hard floors and carpets remain spotless and hygienic. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. With its convenient cordless design, you can maneuver effortlessly around your home, and its powerful performance guarantees a thorough clean. Whether it's pet hair, accidental spills, or everyday messes, the Eufy Wet Vac W31 is your go-to cleaning companion, making your life easier and your home cleaner. Moving on at number 4, we have Roborock Dyad Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum with Dual Self-Cleaning. Introducing the Roborock Dyad Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum, a game-changer in home cleaning technology. This innovative vacuum is equipped with dual self-cleaning systems, ensuring optimal performance for both wet and dry dirt. Featuring adaptive cleaning, it intelligently adjusts its cleaning power to suit the task at hand, making it versatile for various surfaces. With voice alerts, you'll always be informed of its status and progress during operation. The 180 degrees rotating cleaning head reaches every nook and cranny, leaving your floors spotless. Whether you're dealing with wet spills or dry debris, the Roborock Dyad is your reliable cleaning partner, built to handle all types of dirt effectively and efficiently. At number 3, we have Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro Multi-Surface Wet-Dry Vacuum. Introducing the Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro, the ultimate solution for pet owners and home cleaning enthusiasts. This multi-surface wet-dry vacuum, model number 3011, is designed to make your cleaning tasks effortless and efficient. With its cordless design, you can move freely throughout your home without the hassle of cords and outlets. The Crosswave X7 is equipped to handle both wet and dry messes, making it perfect for pet owners dealing with fur, spills, and more. Enjoy the convenience of a single machine that vacuums and washes your floors simultaneously, leaving them spotless and fresh. Say goodbye to pet-related messes with the Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro, your trusted cleaning companion. At number 2, we have an EcoFloor 1S5 Pro Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Introducing the EcoFloor 1S5, a smart and versatile cleaning solution for hard floors. This cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop, in a stylish blue design, is packed with features to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Equipped with a digital display, it provides real-time information on battery life and cleaning modes. With a long runtime, you can tackle sticky messes and pet hair without interruptions. Its space-saving design ensures easy storage when not in use. The EcoFloor 1S5 is the perfect companion for maintaining pristine hard floors, offering convenience, performance, and a sleek aesthetic. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning and embrace the future of floor care. And finally at number 1, iLife EASINE W100 Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Introducing the iLife W100 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, your efficient and lightweight solution for hard floors and carpets. This versatile cleaner combines vacuuming and mopping in one easy step, simplifying your cleaning routine. With its LED display, you can easily monitor cleaning status and battery life at a glance. The iLife W100 boasts a long runtime, ensuring you can cover large areas without interruption. Whether it's dirt on hard floors or light carpet cleaning, this cordless vacuum cleaner is up to the task. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple cleaning steps and enjoy the convenience of one-step cleaning with the iLife W100, making your daily cleaning chores effortless. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.